So first things first, let me just change into my outfit. Oh, diba? CEO! Oh my gosh, guys. Super kilig ako nung dumating na yung shirt na to. And before tayo mag-proceed sa makeup, gusto ko lang i-flex. Ang ganda ng quality ng shirt na pinagbilhan ko sa Shopee. Kasi, tingnan ninyo, pati yung likod, ang ganda. Ayan, so, sandbox. So, kitang-kita ninyo, diba? Ang ganda. And yung mismong pagka-print, guys, nung design, maganda. Ipapakita ko lang din sa inyo, bumili rin ako ng mentor shirt for my boyfriend. And kasi wala siya, so baka mag-shooting na lang kami some other day. Ayan, so sa likod naman is color red naman yung design niya. Ayan, so ang kilig! Super kilig pa rin ako dito sa K-drama na to. Okay, let's now proceed to our makeup. I'll be first spraying my face with some face mist by Mario Badescu. Let it get absorbed by my skin. And we will be trying out some new products from Bobbie Cosmetics. Okay, so first up, we have here their color corrector and concealer palette. And so meron siyang cream pan. Okay, so I think I'll be using the red-orange cream dito sa under eye area ko to balance out, no, or correct the darkness ng ating under eye area. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Tint for our full coverage foundation. So don't worry kung medyo reddish pa rin yung under eye area. Okay, so since parang wala akong kamatch dito sa concealer shades nila, I will try FS Features concealer and foundation stick in the shade of Cashew. And so it's a bit lighter, no, compared to my base color. So usually when I apply concealer, I prefer to just use my ring finger. So it's up to you if you want to use a brush or a sponge. Ayan. So far, I'm liking the consistency of both the corrector and the foundation stick. Very creamy and ayan na. Cancel out niya yung darkness, no, aking under eyes. Now, we're going to try Bobbie Cosmetics Gleam Squad Contour and Strobe Palette. Actually, na-try ko na yung contour niya no Christmas. Okay naman siya. So, I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Okay, so I prefer this warm caramelly color kasi medyo warm toned ako. Okay, medyo sinastamp ko lang muna para alam ko kung saan magbe-blend. Okay, so actually yung makeup naman talaga ni Seo Dal very natural, very faint lang. Let's move on to my eyes. FS Filipiniana palette using their warm brown color here. We're just going to wash over our eyes. Again, very simple lang yung eyes ni Seo Dal here. Parang may brown tones lang siya. Okay, and then I'm going to use the other end para medyo mas makompact natin dito sa under eye area. And for that natural aegyo look, mahilig yung mga Korean, mahilig yung mga kbeauty dito sa parang ini-emphasize nila yung under eye area nila with brown eyeshadow. By the way, nalimot natin mag-contour sa nose. Konting contour din sa nose using the same warm brown. Ayan, so sa nose, medyo dark. Okay lang yan, kaya pa yan. I-blend natin yan. Let me use the fluffier brush. Okay, medyo namula kasi nagamit ko na nga pala to sa ating eyeshadow. That's okay lang. We shall blend it with some lighter concealer. Maybelline Super Stay Concealer in the shade of 20 Sand. Okay, so I also do this talaga. Naglalagay ako ng concealer sa bridge ng nose to have that highlighter, natural highlighter moment. Okay, and then I'll just blend. Tapos fan it outwards dito sa forehead. Tapos blend it together na lang dito sa edges. Okay, now let's go back to our eyes. I will be adding a very light hint of the dark brown here sa edges ng eyes. Konting-konti lang kasi, again, yung kay Seo Dal, very faint lang din yung definition. Bringing it downward din sa ating agio eyes. Ayan, no? So, one dip lang for both eyes na yun. Okay, next naman, let's add a bit of konting-konting shimmer lang sa ating eyes. We'll be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Okay, may pagka-gold kasi siya. For the eyeliner, I'll be using Maybelline's Line Tattoo Crayon Pen in the shade of dark brown. And we're almost done. Okay, eyebrows naman. Eyebrows, I'll be using the Snowy What's Up Brow Pencil in the shade of Khaki. Ayan, so I just followed the shape of my eyebrows and let me just fix it with Strokes Brow Fixer. Ayan, so clear siya, guys. For my blush, very light blush lang yung kay Seo Dal. FS Features and Shades Cheek Mousse in the shade of Kaarawan. So it's a cream to powder finish. Very light lang sa ating cheeks. For a really light wash of highlighter, this one. Okay, from the Bobbie Cosmetics palette. Sa ating nose. She dewy or whatever. For my lips, I'll be putting this tint by iMimi. Oh, by the way guys, kung di niyo pa na-check, na-feature tayo sa iMimi page. So, I'll be linking their playlist down below. Ayan, so ito yung ating mystery tint in the shade of Maple. It has this orangey tint to it that is similar to what Seo Dal wore. Ayan, so I'll put the picture reference right here. And to finish off the makeup, I'll just put my mascara. And so I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. And we are now done with our makeup. Okay, now for the hair. Oh my gosh, you guys, first time ko bumili ng mga hair extension. So this one, I bought a ponytail hair extension kasi gagawin ko yung naka-ponytail si Seo Dal and you know, half blonde pa rin yung hair ko. So yeah. Ooh, let's go back to brown. Ayan, so ang ganda guys nung niya, quality. So actually naka-wrap pa siya ng hairnet. Kasi tingnan ninyo, ang rich no pagka dark brown niya and very natural looking. This one naman ay bangs. OM. Super affordable lang nito guys. Kiklip mo lang siya here. Just lang, paano ba ito ginagamit? Meron siyang clip here na isa-snap mo lang onto your forehead. Oh, wait, natatawa ako. Okay, first things first, itali na muna natin yung ating hair into a bun. Ayan. Ooh, she tight. She a ballerina. Just, that's okay. Oh my gosh, nakakapanibago. Parang ang sarap din ang feeling ng ganito. Kaso, gusto naman sa ating 5 head. Super affordable lang nito. So, kung namimiss ninyo yung long hair ninyo, bet. So, sa pagkakapitan niya, meron din siyang clip here. Okay? And then, itatali mo siya around. Oh my God! Oh my God! Kaso parang ang taas, parang naging Ariana Grande. Babaan ko pala yung muna yung bun ko. Or bababa na lang siya ng pusa. Sige. Ibaba natin siya ng konti. Wow! Oh my gosh! Okay, so itatali na natin siya. I'm speechless! Ang ganda! Oh my God! Anyways, bago tayo mag-proceed sa bangs, oh my gosh, bumili din ako ng Seo Dal inspired scrunchie. As in, yun yung pangalan sa kanya sa Shopee. Super ganda ng quality, guys. Pati yung pattern, no? scrunchie niya, nakuha nila. By the way, kung hindi nyo alam, fun fact, yung ginamit ni Susie Day doon sa drama is actually a luxury brand na scrunchie worth 1,000 pesos ata. So, kung gusto nyo siya i-check, I'll link it down below as well kung gusto nyo yung original. But kapag sa 1,000, kung meron naman yung less than 100. I-wrap ko lang siya dito sa ating extension. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. Masira. This is so hard. Okay, nilusot ko na muna yung extension. And then, i-wrap natin dito sa taas. Oh my God! Oh my God! Whoops, masyadong mataas. Naging Tokyo. Oh my gosh! Who is she? Annyeonghaseyo! Medyo binaba ko na rin yung totoo kong bangs. Ayan, very ever so slightly, gently. Looks realistic. Ako lang ba? Comment down below if you guys are digging this look. So far, I have shown you the shirts, CEO and mentor shirts. Alam niyo na kung saan team ako. Team Hanjipyong pa rin! Kasi if you guys want yung shirt naman ni Namdo-san, yung blue, okay, I'll link it down below as well. Same shop lang naman silang lahat. Seo Dal inspired scrunch. Oh my gosh, ito talaga yung, as in, no joke, naiyak ako, natiri ako nung dumating to, tapos ina-unbox ko siya. Tan-tan-nan! Yung sandbox lanyard. Kaso wait lang. Makisipin ninyo, no, lanyard lang. Ito, dito ako naiyak. Who is she? Oh my gosh! Legit, guys! Nakapasok na ako sa sandbox! Super amazing nung shop na to, guys. I believe from Indonesia yung shop na to. Tapos they're super easy to talk to. All you have to do is email them your design. So, nag-email ako sa kanila ng picture ko na to. Ako na rin yung nag-send, guys, as in Hangul letters ko to, Hangul characters ko to. Nakasunod dyan, tellemaywhy. So, wag nyo na sila pahirapan. Kayo na rin yung mag-search kung paano isulat yung Hangul version ng names ninyo. Super satisfied with their service. Ang ganda ng quality. Para na akong legit na nagtatrabaho sa sandbox. Okay, ayan. Okay, suotin na natin siya. CEO, tell me why. Okay, etong ating cup holder. Dito na lang. Oh my gosh, hindi siya kasha. Sobrang mema kasi, ayan, dito tayo magkakape. Ayan, kinonvince ko na lang sarili ko na for content purposes. And super bonus, guys. Ang bait nitong shop na to talaga. May kasama pa siyang pa-freebies na mga cards. Ay, oh my gosh! Hindi nila ako tinanong dito, guys. Alam nila, Hanjipyong talaga ang panalo. Ayan, natapos na rin tayo sa ating makeup, hair, and startup haul. But the fun isn't over yet. We shall go to a Korean corn dog stall sa BF Parañaque. So, tune in with me and let's go and check them out.